How to log in or sign in to Temu app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign in to Temu app. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can get the Temu application from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, that is Android or iOS respectively. Now once you download it, what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and open it up. Now I haven't logged in here, so I'll just be showing you up quickly how you can log in. First you want to tap on accept all here, and now you should get an interface like this. At the bottom of your screen there, you can sign in for the best experience option. You can sign in there. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll take you to this page here. Now here what you can do is you can simply enter in your email or phone number and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it'll send a confirmation code to your email or phone number, and you'll be able to paste that code in and log in or sign in real quick. Similarly, if you want to continue with Google, you can simply tap on continue with Google, or if you want to continue with Facebook, you can continue with Facebook, or with the Twitter X, then you can continue with it respectively. So I'll just tap on continue with Google, and I'll choose my Google account real quick here. So you can see it has automatically selected my Google account here, and it has logged me in real quick. So I'll not allow the notification, but here I'm logged in. So this is the way that you can log in or sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, then it'll just take you to the sign up page once you choose your Google account. So hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.